In front of me is Redmi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. Whatever search bar you have here, it can't be removed like any other widget. So what you need to do is hold your display and wait for this option, Settings, at the bottom right corner to show. When it does, click on it and select More at the bottom of this pop-up. Then click on Home Screen Search and use blue switcher to turn it off. So when I go back, my search bar was successfully removed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!